Hey team, Phil here. Hey, just when you're finished with the CNC router, here's the process for shutting it down. So I'll just turn the camera. Cool, so first thing is make sure we've got this card updated so that the next person knows which mode it's in, whether it's laser or spindle. So for now, I think the process should always be it goes back to spindle mode when we're finished. Then home it so that it parks in the far corner ready for the next person, because the first thing we're going to need to do is home it when we turn it on, so we might as well park it in that position. So in order to do that, just come here and hit this homing button and it will go through the homing process. Cool, so once we've done that, we come up to here and we hit the button and then we click close. So that shuts the connection from the computer to the controller, but the brake is still energized at the top, so there's still power on that, so we don't want to leave this energized all the time. So when we've done that, we can now unplug the USB from our computer and then we can go turn it off. So just at the control panel, we just switch it off here and that light will go off and you'll hear the click on the brake, so that we know that that's de-energized, because that actually gets quite hot. And pack up all your tools and leave it tidy. So I'm still packing up at the moment, but I need to put everything away and leave it better than we found it. That's how we turn off the machine. Thanks guys.